We're feeling really good, I think. We're excited to be in Porto, and the Primavera experience in Barcelona was a beautiful one. Yeah, it was just a lot of good energy to be like encircled by and be there for a few days. So, and the view doesn't hurt.
We got a lot of requests for songs on Instagram, so we're gonna try to honor those requests. But yeah, we'll be playing old songs, new songs from every album. This is our third album, so it feels like we're, established and excited for the future, like the next album.
Agree, and we're excited to play hopefully all over the world this next year. The new album, old songs, meet lots of people, play for new fans. It's always cool. Like, I don't have an expectation for the Portuguese audience. It's just cool to see, what it'll be like.